Precision and speed are life-saving factors that are crucial to any medical procedure. The same is expected for the tools medical professionals require to do their job. This is why a world leader in blood analysis solutions came to Averna to design and manufacture a high-speed assembly station for emergency blood extraction vials. Our customer developed a system that delivers blood test results in minutes. Speed and accuracy is what is prioritized in scenarios like these without potentially skewing medical test results. When manipulating any item involved in life sciences, each component requires perfection and assembly must be fully automated to avoid contamination and affect the eventual outcome. This is to say, they needed a fast automated system to assemble multiple receptacles simultaneously, while ensuring there isn't a single scratch, dust particle, or dent to be found. Each container is made up of 3 components when assembled together creates the receptacle or jacket. The assembly station must automatically select the right variety of each component, 8 at a time, as they are used as indicators by healthcare providers to label each type of test. The components are then verified for any form of defect, including those that are invisible to the human eye. If any pieces need to be scrapped, they are moved out of the assembly line and automatically sorted based on the reason for failure. The good components continue along the assembly line and then put together to form a jacket. Lastly, they are glued and cured perfectly, careful to avoid any excess glue or beading. All of these activities are performed hands-free within a clean room environment and are used towards quickly diagnosing a patient. An assembly station such as this quickly increases the output of the jacket production by building multiple units faster. Human error is eliminated as the vision system automatically performs all the necessary verifications, including component selection and defect detection. Health standards are met more easily because of the clean room environment and the risk of contamination is eliminated. This system saved our customer money by reducing manual labor in both the assembly and scrapping process, by increasing product volume and by improving product quality while getting to market faster. Thank you for your time today. For more information, please see our website, give us a call, or send an email.